guys, it's Michael, and in today's video, I'm going to be placing a $20,000 investment in a company called Chewy because I think it is a great company to invest in long term. So we're first going to go over exactly what the company does and what they sell. Then we're going to go over why I think this is a good investment long term. Moving on, we're going to cover why now is a perfect opportunity to invest in this company and why I am investing right now as well. And finally, we're going to go over a live $20,000 trade that I'm going to place with you guys during this video. So if you want to see that, make sure to stick around until the end. And if you enjoy this content and you like more investing videos, please be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. So first, before we get into Chewy specifically, I want to touch on a couple of important background pieces of information on the pet industry as a whole and some big changes that have happened this year so far, which is why I think it is a great time to invest in Chewy. So, pet ownership has soared this year during the virus pandemic as people have been stuck at home during lockdowns and Americans seek to fill the voids of being at home, being alone with canine and feline companionship. A lot of people have been buying and adopting pets, and the trend is benefiting a slew of pet retailers and pet manufacturing facilities. Bank of America surveyed more than 1,000 U.S. consumers earlier this month, and 69% of respondents have at least one animal in their household, while 37% of these people have adopted a pet in the last 6 months alone. So this is during the pandemic when people have been spending more time at home. These results led the bank to believe that the trend of higher pet ownership will extend beyond the pandemic because essentially, if you think about it, once people get a pet, once they adopt a pet, they're going to ultimately have that pet for years to come, which means they'll be spending more money with these pet retailers for years to come as well. In addition to people recently adopting pets, and according to this survey, there's an increasing desire for people to live in the suburbs. And there have been a lot of big changes in the housing market, which I went over in a video yesterday, and I'll link that video down below if you want to check out what is going on with the housing market. But essentially, if people are moving to bigger homes, to the suburbs, now they'll have more space to have pets as well. So as a result of people staying at home and adopting more pets, on top of people moving to the suburbs and having larger homes, that is why I think investing in this company could be very good long term. Now, with that background information covered on the pet industry and where it is at right now because of the pandemic, let's get into specifically Chewy and why I'm going to be investing more money in them. I currently have about $10,000 invested across a number of different investment apps with Robinhood, Webull, and M1 Finance. And if you want to check out those apps, I'll link them down below as well. But now I'm going to be putting another $20,000 in them. So essentially, with shopping shifting online during the pandemic, we've seen a lot of retail companies really benefit from this. Amazon has grown significantly. In addition to this, pet food and pet product companies have grown as well, which is why Chewy is a very important company to look at, and that's why we're going to go over that today. Essentially, what Chewy does is the company provides pet food and treats, pet supplies, pet medications, and other pet health products, as well as services for a number of different animals, for dogs, cats, fish, birds, all small pets that you could have at home through its retail site called Chewy.com. It offers approximately 60,000 products from 2,000 partner brands. Essentially, the best way to think about Chewy is it's the Amazon for pets. And if you want to buy anything for your pet, you could go on Chewy.com, get anything you need. In addition to this, they really try and follow a subscription model. So if you ever order pet food or pet supplies, you could get everything on a subscription basis. And a lot of their revenue comes from people ordering dog food that just sets to come automatically every month or every 2 months. Shares of Chewy, as a result of this, because of the pandemic and because of the shift to online shopping, have soared more than 90% this year, and now could actually be a great time to get into this stock because stocks reached an all-time high of about $70 in early September, earlier this month. And since then, the stock has corrected and is down about 20% from there, and it's back around $55. Online sales were up 42% year over year in August for this company. And ultimately, what I think right now is that Chewy's subscription-focused model and niche positioning in the pet industry allows the company to continue to compete against massive corporations like Amazon, who can basically sell everything. They have a lot of the same pet products, but where Chewy differentiates itself is that they partner with over 2,000 pet-focused brands. The e-commerce trend has now arrived, and I believe it's been accelerated, and it's proven to be accelerated because of the virus and all of the shutdowns going on in the country. So companies like Chewy will continue to be the main beneficiaries and benefit significantly from this change to online shopping. Okay, so with that background information covered on Chewy, why I think it's a good investment moving forward, let's actually place a trade. Let's not just talk about it. I don't just want to mention a company to you guys without actually investing in it for myself. So anyways, let's pull up the Robinhood app. I'm going to open it up, and we're going to search up Chewy, and we're going to put about $20,000 in this company. The stock price right now is at $55.65. It's after hours, so what I'm going to do is simply put in a trade, and it will go through tomorrow morning. $20,000 in this company comes out to be around 375 shares. So all you're going to do is place that order right now, hit buy, and now we're all set. We're just going to wait until tomorrow when the order goes through in the morning. Anyways, I just wanted to do a quick video for you guys on Chewy because I think it's a great company moving forward, and I personally am investing in it, so I wanted to share that with you. If you like more of these videos, please be sure to like the video down below and subscribe to my channel. It really means a lot. Also, don't forget to get 2 free stocks valued up to $1,600 when you download the Webull investing app using the link down below, and get $20 immediately when you download the M1 Finance app as well. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like the video down below, leave a comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.